Hello everyone. In this video I'll be answering the question, what are general conditions of this agreement? You hereby acknowledge and agree that by using the booking entity admin panel and dashboard, or downloading, installing or using the mobile app, you are bound by any future amendments and additions to this agreement, information referenced at hyperlinks herein, or documents incorporated herein, including with respect to fare calculations. Continued use of the admin panel and dashboard after any such changes shall constitute your consent to such changes. Invalidity of any provision in this agreement does not affect the rest of the agreement. Booking entity may assign or transfer this agreement or any or all of their respective rights or obligations hereunder in whole or in part without your prior consent. You may not, however, as the agreement needs to remain with you. Should booking entity do so, you have the right to terminate this agreement immediately without prior notice. Each of booking entity may subcontract its rights and obligations under this agreement, and this agreement, including the recitals and all supplemental terms, constitutes the entire agreement and understanding of the parties with respect to its subject matter, and replaces and supersedes all prior or contemporaneous agreements or undertakings on this subject matter. In this agreement, including and include mean including but not limited to. To learn more about this agreement, please continue on to our next video, and thank you for watching.